The Dance of Sien Khaen Lao is a beautiful performance that celebrates the culture of Laos. This traditional dance, popular across all parts of Laos, features a male performer playing the khaen. Female dancer performing graceful movements. The female dancer, dressed in traditional clothing, moves in harmony with the music. Performance focuses on the beautiful music of the khaen. The dance celebrates the beauty of the Lao land. The Dance of Sien Khaen Lao is not just a performance. But a tribute to Lao heritage. Through enchanting dance and beautiful music, the audience can appreciate the rich culture of Laos. Khaen music is a traditional Lao musical.
Hungarian artist.
Instrument was officially inscribed on UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage List.